This is crazy. Somebody commented and said shorts or longs. This is gonna blow me, bro. I forgot I made that fucking Facebook status. I do need a cigarette. I ain't gonna cap. I do need a cigarette. Gift to Shay 100 on Twitch. Fuck no. Hell no. No. Immediately no. No. Nah. Thanks for the gifts, honey. I love you too. I'm done taking naps during the day. Well, maybe if I go to sleep or try to force myself to go to sleep right now, I wouldn't be sleepy during the day. Because I stay up all night and then be wondering why I be tired during the day. Then I get tired during the day, take a nap during the day, wake up, repeat the same process, stay up, like... Ugh. And one thing about it on that stream, if I'm sleepy, I'm going to sleep. I'm sorry. I'm going to sleep. As soon as I get tired, as soon as my eyes get heavy, I'm out of there. I'm literally out of there. No LOLs. Man, is Myers still open? I think they close at 12. Damn, the fuck I mean, is Myers still open? I don't have a fucking car. Like, wow. I don't have a car. The fact that you can DoorDash alcohol but not nicotine is crazy to me. That's nuts. That's absolutely nuts. Trippin'. Trippin'. You got me trippin'. Oh, stumbling. Oh. I should go drink. They only got Newport 100s. Fuck it. Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, let's try it. Sorry we don't deliver to your area. So GoPuff don't work in my city. Oh, it's not in my city. Fine then. I don't even need no cigarette. I'm just bored. Oh, shit. Thanks for the gift, sisters. Maybe I should watch Married to Medicine with you guys or something. I just had my remote too. I can't find it. Make sure y'all getting y'all water in, you guys. I tell her, get down on the knee. She get the tripping. Yes, water, 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 period, poo. Can this hurry up? I need a nigga, man. I need a man.
We're trying to successfully co-parent, and he's crazy. I'm gonna leave you with these two knuckleheads.
I miss when Phaedra used to look and dress like a granny. Now she a BBL bandit, too.
They were ready to go.
Damn, her ex looking nice.
Yeah, Dylan, don't stay on the phone all night.
He looking nice. You suggest a jailbird? Listen, I'm desperate. I ain't that desperate. I'm not that desperate, sisters.
Did I tell your friends your ex? I did.
Phaedra is that girl, not no more, sadly. Phaedra looked like Phaedra and Heavenly is cousins. They look like cousins. Phaedra and Heavenly look like they cousins on their daddy sides.
Damn, what happened?
Oh, his name Apollo. Thanks for the gift, sisters. You can't stand Heavenly. I think she bring the damn drama to the show. Shit. She's smart. She dead ass smart, no LOLs. My favorite is Quad. I don't care. Miss Quad, Miss Quad. She got it. She got it. Quad and Mariah was my favorites. Then they switched on Mariah for Quad. Then switched on Quad to get her off the show. Quad is the show.
I'm not being messy. I know y'all think I'm being messy, but honestly, Phaedra is real.
Quad is the show. Sorry. You can't wait everybody on Kaya Live. Who knows and who gives a fuck? That don't have nothing to do with me, sisters. That don't have anything to do with me, sisters. Man, I'm so fucking bored. I need to hit a cigarette, though. I might actually got one in the car. Nah, I doubt it. 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 I'm mad I ain't saved no, I need to stop going to sleep during the day, like, seriously. Man. I don't even want to go get the damn wine out the fucking content room. Probably gnats all in it.
So I was thinking about the baby shower, and I think the Coming to America would be really good.
Is she pregnant?
I'm trying to give her the African.
Which one is Sweet Tea? I can't tell.
My sister, she's pregnant. We got a baby girl on the way.
I feel a little bit more pressure for us to get pregnant, though. I'll be honest about that. But
I'm finna start DMing Mr. Dr. Simon. Or whatever, Miss Simone, Simon baby daddy, Simon husband.
I'm happy that you're pregnant, but I'm also like, just preparing for my own journey to be a mother.
Simon husband so damn fine. I want that, need that.
Yeah. Well, Berkeley just got home.
I need that. Oh shit, I ain't got my rubber band in. Who pulling up? Oh. Gotta put my rubber bands on my damn teeth. So they can shift my mouth in the right direction. Toya Eugene. Man, Eugene fat ass lost a little bit of weight. He got to looking a little good. He got to looking a little fat. I ain't gonna cap it to you. But Toya's so damn ugly. She like a horse. She look like a horse. It's like RHOA. It's literally nothing like that, though. I don't get that comparison. I feel like Married to Medicine is so much different. That first fight, baby, that gagged the fuck out of me. That gagged me down boots. Do you understand me? That gagged me down boots.
With my schedule and the way I'm feeling now, I think 2 years. I think that's as long as I can go.
That's very soon.
That's as long as he can go what? Waiting to get her pregnant? She knew she couldn't have kids when she first slid in his DMs. She knew she couldn't. She a lying ass mess.
I just gotta be realistic about.
Man, I wish I had a frozen margarita right now. Damn it.
That's what I don't want to do. Now he's saying because I don't want to put pressure on you.
Where that water bottle go? Drink some water. You don't tell me what to do. I just want water to you, bitch.
Have adopted, and that's how badly they wanted a child.
That's a lot to think about.
How badly do we want to have a child?
I mean, I badly want one. Coming up.
How's she crying now? Thanks for the gifts, babe. Hello. Yes, my pussy is good, y'all. I do drink hella water. My pussy is good. It's good. Thanks for the gifts, since I eat your ass later.
Detailed DNA results. Inspiring family history memories.
Man.
Now's the time to save at Ancestry.
At Total Wireless, we got your back every day. Others, not so much.
Thank you, sister. Thank you, sisters. Sisters. Okay, anywho. I should try and force myself to sleep. Tomorrow's gonna be a busy day, and I hope. Make sure y'all waking up and praying. I've been waking up and praying. Today I woke up and prayed for the strength. And I got through today, didn't I? Got some shit done. I wanted to procrastinate. I wanted to lay around and drink and not do nothing. But nah. Hold on, wait. I need something to wear to the frosted line, too. I'm just gonna wear the same shit. Well, does Shay always wear the same clothes? What the fuck? We finna be cartoon characters. Just repeat the same outfits. Fuck that. And that's crazy because he literally has a closet full of clothes. He wear the same pink pants with that cropped shirt, or he wear that same Balenciaga tan jumpsuit. Like, bro, get some fucking drip. Get some fucking drip, B. Seriously. All that damn money you make. Ugh. You 19 going on your second kid and you homeless. Nope. You knew you was homeless when you was fucking, didn't you? You knew you was homeless when you popped that pussy for the second baby daddy, didn't you? I have nothing going on for you, sister. I have nothing. I have nothing. Somebody taxes is coming up, B. Somebody taxes is coming up. No, that gotta be a prank at all. That got to. No, I just got kicked out. My kids has the same dad. Oh, damn. I have no advice for you, sister. Go to a shelter. Go to a shelter. Go to a shelter. Life is gonna get easier. Everybody talking about their taxes. I'm so damn mad. I'm finna owe 50K. Don't make no damn sense. I love being a 304, a fake one. Why do they keep... What the hell? That's not even him. My jaw's starting to hurt. My jaw's starting to hurt. That's so weird, begging for money. She ain't ask it. That's heartless, EKane. What is heartless? Shut the fuck up. How was that heartless? I told that bitch, go to the fucking shelter. Fuck you want me to do? Go eat her pussy? Go deliver the baby for her? No. But anywho. But anywho. Thanks for the gifts, babes. Wake that one up. Wake that one up. I don't have nothing for nobody. I'll lay you too, sister. Can we see your nails? No. I'm not your target audience, but I love you, sister. Why do you feel the need to tell me you're not my target audience, bitch? Obviously, I know you're not my target audience, so you don't have to start nothing with that. Just get the fuck off my life. I don't fuck with you. That's so fucking annoying. You don't have to tell me you're not my target audience. I can click your picture and tell you not. You bitches is losers. Like, shut the fuck up talking to me. Annoying as fuck. Get the fuck on. Mija. Pendejo. So fucking irritating. Oh, y'all making me want to hit that damn bottle. Y'all make me want to hit a damn bottle. Shit. No. 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 No, no, and no.
Nothing. We're sweeping anything under.
This broke ass loser ass bitch hiding half her face with that synthetic ass wig. Think she clocking something, think she saying some good shit. You're not. You're not. Next bum. Next question. Next caller. Next question, Tamika.
Where is Orlando?
You ain't talking about shit. Thanks, babes. What do you do when a man ghosts you? I can't relate. Never been ghosted, sisters. He not scared at his pussy. He ain't scared. He ain't scared at his pussy. He ain't scared. Oof. Shut up with this cooking with Kaya, bitch. I think you a loser. I am grown. Don't get it twisted, but you want a spam account with a cartoon character page, but you grown, right? Loser. Alex, bitch, you look like you grown as hell, too. Get the fuck off Kaya dick and get off my dick. Ask me what I think about her, bitch. You're a loser. Go get a life. Quit asking influencers what they think about the next bitch. That has nothing to do with me. Get a fucking life. Like, seriously. All y'all been doing all day is, how do you feel about cooking with Kaya? Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Get off her dick. Seriously. Y'all some lame ass bitches. Like, I couldn't imagine to just sit up and ask the next bitch how they feel about the next bitch. I couldn't imagine to be that much of a fucking loser ass, lame ass, stupid ass bitch. I can't. At all. One day I want to trade lives with you bum ass bitches, see what y'all really got going on, and it's obviously nothing. It's obviously nothing. Thanks, sister. What's for dinner, Patron? No, I had some Burger King. That shit made my stomach hurt. I ain't gonna cap. That's probably why I don't want to drink, because my fucking stomach probably finna do flips and shit. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Tofu and chow mein. Ooh, that sounds so good. I got a Whopper, no pickles, zesty sauce, and onion rings. I usually get the fries so I can put it in my burger, but I forgot I wasn't thinking. He's scared. He's scared of his pussy. He's scared. Tomorrow better go smooth. Well, I know it is. I know it is. I just know it is. Don't even worry about me. Don't even worry about me. Don't even worry about me. He's scared. He's scared of his pussy. They changed the recipe for the zesty sauce. No, it was hidden today. I don't know. It was hidden today. I can't cap. It definitely was. He's scared. Thank you, sister. Who was Sheree? Woodenfield? Spring Summer Druggies? I was in her house at a party in Atlanta, like, was that last year? I was all in her She by Sheree. She got some nice little pieces in her little room. She got some nice little pieces.
We are trying to bring us together. We did what we had to do to bring him here.
He's scared. Maybe I should hit the bottle. Maybe I should hit the bye-bye. I'm so damn bored. I need a fucking life.
I did not mean to throw.
I need a fucking life.
What I really would love to know.
No, don't hit it. Yes, get the bottle. You should.
Because I know
OMG, you really be hanging with the big name. She by Sheree, the big name still. Wake that one up. Y'all need to take a damn joke to defend somebody who don't even know y'all. You sit up and talk about somebody who don't even know you. So, bitch, you equally a loser. Fuck are you talking about? I hate when y'all say that shit. I hate when only hating ass bitches say that. You're not getting paid to defend her. You're not getting paid to talk shit either, you broke bum ass bitch. So, fuck. You bitches always want somebody getting paid because they want to be positive. But as soon as your negative, ugly ass want to say something else, you ain't getting paid. You ain't getting paid to hate neither. So, shut the fuck up. Not getting paid to do a damn thing, it look like. Ain't talking about shit. Let me get my motherfucking bob out for y'all piss me all the way off. Calm my nerves a little bit. Calm my nerves just a tad. Yes, sister, yes, sister, yes. Yes, sister, yes, sister, yes. If I ain't living in the burbs, I'd be on my way to get a baba right now, damn. In the burbs, they don't be having no liquor stores because the whites. Why is she crying? Damn, this girl ugly as fuck. Oh my gosh, I ain't never seen somebody so ugly on Married to Medicine. This bitch just look like Squidward House, but the fat version. He's scared. I love when companies that pay me before I even post a second video. Now that's what I call the best. Now that's what I call the best. He's scared.
Storm and her mom have had a lot of ups and downs. You know, there is no parenting manual. And as a mom, as a dad, you really just do the best you can.
Why he delete his comment? He said he had some camels. I was finna say, baby, I only like the Newport sisters.
What the hell shortcoming is.
I only like the Newports. He said I got some blacks.
And I don't know these people. How these people claim they're in the family.
I literally forgot I made that.
And maybe I'm in another family.
Okay. Oh. Newport 100s? I love you too, sister. Good night. I really shouldn't take a shot. I'm not even compelled to drink right now. I'm not even compelled to drink.
Because Lauren and I are so close, we have our circle.
I'm not compelled.
Is Lauren's best friend, and Lauren's
I'm not at all, actually.
He's also become very close to me after working for me. Okay, well, I didn't even know that.
I'm not compelled. I'm not moved.
What's happening?
I'm not moved. Drink a little to relax so you can sleep. You know what? You're right about that one. You're right about that one. Let's see. How did this just change the station, though? He's scared. I was finna say, fuck. Damn. He's scared. If you drink, I'ma drink, okay. You don't sneak anymore? No. I gotta wake up at 8 a.m., girl. We both done. I'm finna start getting into the Real Housewives of Salt Lake City. That's what I'm finna do. Jarcelle Buford. Your kids gonna be up early as fuck. Yes, take your ass to bed. One thing about when my kids used to wake up early before me, I keep my ass asleep. Fend for yourself. Fend for y'all motherfucking self. What the hell?
Previously on Married to Medicine.
Ooh, her hair look cute. Dr. Simone, Dr. Heavenly, Lisa Nicole. Oh, shit. Lisa Nicole ain't over here. Quad. Quad needs some new wigs. I'm tired of this shit. I'm tired. She needs something. They literally, all they wigs be looking a mess, I'll be honest.
Give me 5 minutes on my alarm.
They all be looking a mess. Yes, yes, yes. Maybe one day. Maybe one day.
Because they're not a doctor now.
Now, Paige and Dr. Jackie.
Now would you rate the cleanliness of our apartment?
Who is most hated, Sway?
Yeah, no, ain't it?
Yeah, I don't want to drink. I don't know why. That Burger King making my stomach just not. Oh, I wish I could have company right now.
That's exactly what you need.
Yeah, this testosterone needs to be tested out. Just go upstairs and see where we at.
Come chase the cat.
Thanks for the gifts, babe. Nah. They have came a long way. Nah, I wouldn't call it that. Damn, she. Oh, that's Quado. She can't do no wrong, honey. Okay, this wig look kind of good.
Come outside. Why do I need to come outside? You got the code and the key to the house. Come on in.
I actually come outside. I need help.
Okay, I'll see you just a bit.
I'm asking you to come outside. I would have. See, that's why I probably can't keep a nigga. Because when he had an attitude and said, I'm asking you to come outside, I need help, I would have took that as an attitude. I would have said, bitch, I don't have to fucking help you, fuck. But instead, I have to realize I could just say, okay, I'll be right there. Like Quad said, I'll be out there in a bit, you know? I'll be out there in a minute. I would have cussed him the fuck out, down boots, literally. I would have ate his ass up. I would have ate his ass up something horrible.
What does it look like?
It ain't about what you say, it's how you say it.